Hi everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. If you are using Contact Form 7 and recently updated to version 6.1 or higher, you might have noticed an unwanted white box appearing above your form. In today's video, I will show you what causes that issue and exactly how to remove it. Latest Contact Form 7 update introduced a hidden div element. It's mean for technical use. Strong spam protection field from metadata. But sometimes due to CSS conflicts with your theme or layout, this element become visible, resulting in an empty white space or box above your form. So you need to add this custom CSS code into your customizer. If you are choosing another theme, navigate to appearance customized and in the custom CSS area add this code. But now in this video I am using Woodmart theme, so I have added the code in theme settings custom CSS and then save the option. And then refresh the contact form page, and here you can see the field is hidden. And that's it, how you fix the contact form 7 white box issue in version 6.1 or above. If this helped, do not forget to like the video, comment below if you are facing any other issues, and subscribe to pkmentor for more WordPress tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.